Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Fernandez with Sencom, and we are putting tech to the test today with the Neat Board 50, the adaptive stand, and the Neat pad. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Prior to the setup screen, we did have to put the adjustable stand together. It took us about 15 minutes total. It comes with all the tools you need and instructions. Now let's get into our quick setup. We are connected to the internet, and now we're going to go ahead and continue. Time, Eastern time, good. Neat Pulse is the device management software. For the sake of the video, we're not going to go through that today, but it can be used to connect all your devices under one software to manage and maintain firmware updates. Now we have an option for Zoom rooms or Teams, whichever one you prefer. It's built into there, but today we are going to be using the bring your own device mode only. And cool. Now we just need a USB-C. Before we connect it to the laptop, let's talk about some of the features of this board. The screen is Ultra HD 4K, and it comes with anti-glare and anti-fingerprint protection. Because everything is built into one device, including the camera, microphone, speakers, and collaboration tools, it simplifies meeting room setup significantly. The board comes with flexible setup options. It can be mounted to a wall, put on an adjustable stand like this, or put into any of your conference rooms. It can also be connected to an external monitor through an HDMI cable. But beyond just meetings, the board can also run collaboration apps like Miro or a web browser, which makes it a powerful tool for brainstorming sessions, workshops, and presentations. It comes with two Neat active markers, which allows users to write, sketch, or annotate directly on the screen. The Neat Board 50 includes a custom-built 50 megapixel camera with a 113-degree field of view, wide enough to capture an entire meeting space. It comes with automatic people framing and Neat Symmetry, which helps present everyone equally on screen. As far as microphones go, it has a 5-microphone beamforming array, additional sensor microphones, and a speaker system designed to deliver clear sound with minimal distortion. Another really cool feature about the board is if you connect it through Neat Pulse, it has the ability to monitor the temperature, air quality, and humidity, and if there's another person or people in a meeting space. This allows for an organization to closely monitor their meeting spaces to ensure that they are most optimized. So as you can see now, we have set up a Teams meeting and we're connected with BYOD. Currently we're in symmetry mode, so it's currently capturing McKenna, Dennis, and myself as we walk around the conference area.
And it does auto frame.
It does auto
frame. So if you move around, it'll follow you.
That was a very straightforward, high-level overview of the hardware and some of the things you can expect with the Neat board. We are going to be going into a part 2 later on where we go into the pad and some of the softwares that the Neat board comes with. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that part 2. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. See you next time.